Vi har med oss Urs Frey fra Sveits, som har et veldig spennende konsept. Han har utviklet noen spesielle høgtalere, og han bygger om platespillere. So Urs, I'm particularly interested in Swissnor's turntables. You have not your own turntables.
No, there have been excellent turntables in the 50s, 60s in Switzerland, made by Horten, and they are still there. There are 10,000 of them which are still in work or available, and they have such a good engineering and quality that they can live dozens of years, or maybe hundreds of years. And what we do, we buy second-hand turntables, especially the models 124, 25 and 160. And we refurbish them and we upgrade them. You can see here fully upgraded TD 160. This is the lightest upgrade you can do is on the 160, because there is very few work to do and very few parts to change. Here the upgrade is a complete recabling. Then we change the plinth. We have here a solid plinth from milled birchwood, and the rest is the adjustments of the function of the motor and of the tone arm to work perfectly.
So it's not a very big job. How much is the best thing that I get myself a TD 160 and send it to Switzerland?
Here you can have it done here in Norway too, but because here it is not necessary for this model, it's only about 4 to 5 hours of work, and the parts I can send to Norway. But the model 124 is much more work and much more complicated, much more parts to change. And it is, I say, not optimum for an amateur. There are people in Switzerland who make this professionally. They have made more than 1,124 up to now, complete refurbishing. And then you can upgrade it as you want. But the upgrades you can make later. You can follow them.
So you can start at a low price and go. Yeah.
Low price. The second-hand 124 are at minimum 1,000 euro actually on the European continent. So the 124 is not anymore low price. So that's why
160 is.
That's why we began with the 160. Yeah. It gives the best price-performance ratio in this range.
You also make amplifiers, and you make them with the 300B and.
We have push-pull models with 6v6, and we have different tubes. This is a modular system, and the customer can choose what it wants as preamplifier and what he wants as power amplifier. We have actually 2 preamplifiers, one line and phono, full tube. And 4 possibilities for the power amplifier, including 6v6 push-pull, 6B4G single-ended, 300B single-ended, and peaks 25 single-ended.
But to live with such amplifiers, you need special loudspeakers that is easily driven.
Yeah, that's a good system. It's not good elements. It's only good elements. It's elements which will work perfectly together. And so we have high efficiency loudspeakers, even the smallest model we have, you can consider it as high efficiency loudspeaker. They have between 93 and 97 decibel and very high impedance with no problem for tube amplifiers. So they will work perfectly with amplifiers from about 4 to 8 watts of power.
Very nice. And it's a very good sound there. But last question, I have to ask you about your baby here.
Yeah, we have this is this Stella Master.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a machine who has about 35 years. It was refurbished in 2009, by the official refurbishing service of Stellavox. This is a very rare Stella Master, which is the most compact mastering machine, analog mastering machine in the world. You can disassemble and put it in a small bag. This is an extremely nice machine, not only because it is compact and it is watchmaker quality mechanics and finish, but the sound is still incredible. And for us, it's the best sound from such a machine you can have. Put it in service. So it's just the opposite to dematerialized music, as you can see. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like a mechanical watch compared to a digital watch. Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Thank you.